$12,000 with CPA marketing in just a single month. In this video right here, I'm going to show you a legit strategy you can use to go on to making money with CPA marketing like I am doing right here. And I assure you guys that this particular strategy which I'm going to reveal to you is not going to waste your time. It's going to be a legit and 100% guaranteed strategy that if you actually watch this video and utilize right here, you could also go on to making money with CPA marketing. And guys, if you are new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. You can see lots of videos that could help boost your income online. You will also come right here and make sure you're subscribed to my channel and your notification bell is turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. And without further ado and further delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So the first thing which you actually want to get done is get an account created on the CPA marketing platform. You can actually be using the Cpagrip.com right here. I just simply come in right here, click on register. You can go on to creating an account by filling out your basic details such as your first name, your last name. You can skip the company and website because it does not have this red asterisk sign, and focus on all the fields having that red asterisk sign like the street address, country, city, state and region, zip code, phone number, Skype, IM name. You can fill out your email address, password, confirm your password, select a time zone. You can skip this section which says where did you hear about us, and go on to agreeing to the terms of service. Once you do that right now, you could click on register now. If you want to just simply take out time to read through the terms of service, click on this icon right here or this section which says terms of service and go on to reading through that. So once you get your account created, you could go on to logging into your account. And as you can see right here, I'm logged into my account. To get to this page right now, make sure you come onto this section which says offer tools. Select that right here, select my offers, and you could go onto this section right here to filter your offers to any demographic of your choice. Supposing I want to just simply stick on with the United States, I'm just going to go on to filter my offers to show me the highest paying offers by clicking on payout. Once I do that right now, you can see the highest paying offer is something related to the VPN right here, a VPN app. Instead of that, I prefer going on to promoting kind of like a sweepstake offer right here, which is actually this offer is a giveaway offer right now, and all your leads actually need to do is to come from the United States, to be using a desktop device, and submit their email address or zip code while going through a survey using this your unique affiliate link, and you do get paid this particular amount, which is $2.31. Basically what you want to do right now is to copy this link to this particular offer, and you want to go on to creating a simple landing page using either the Google site, Wheezy.io, Systemy.io, or the link tree right here. You could just simply create any landing page of your choice or create a landing page with any landing page builder site of your choice. Supposing guys you are finding it difficult creating a landing page, all you need to do is to head on to my channel right here called OJ Marketing, click on this search icon and just simply type in landing page. And once you type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see some videos I created for you that could help you go on to creating a landing page. This video right here shows you how you could create a landing page using Google Sites. This video shows you how you could create a landing page using the Google site also. This is for Systemy.io, this is for Webflow, and if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot of videos I created for you on how you could create landing pages right now. So utilize such videos and go on to creating simple landing pages. And once you actually created a landing page and link that to this particular CPA marketing offer, what you want to do next is to just simply head onto this platform right here, which is called Micro Workers. And this is actually an amazing platform you could utilize because this platform actually connects freelancers and business owners together right here. All you need to do right now is just simply head onto this platform. As you can see, this is an amazing platform you could utilize right here to get traffic to your CPA marketing offers. You could click on register, be brought to a page that looks similar to this, and you want to just simply provide these basic details right here like your first name, middle name, last name, but you can see the middle name is optional. You can select your gender, that is optional, company, date, and fill out your email address, select a password, your address right now, zip code, city, and provide all these basic details right here. Once you're done, submit that and go on to the verification of your email to verify your email right there. And once you verify that and successfully do that, you can then go on to logging into your account. And right here you could see I'm logged into my account right now. And to actually go on to driving traffic to your CPA marketing offers, click on create TVV or TTV campaign. If you do click on create TTV campaign, you'll be able to see these two options right here, which is start a new basic campaign or start a new higher group campaign. You want to select start a new basic campaign. Once you select that, you should be brought to a page such as this, where you want to select the location to which you want to drive traffic to. And I'm just going to select the USA and Western, select the United States right now. And for this particular section, you want to go on to selecting the category for your campaign right now, and you can either select any of the category which are actually in this particular section. I'm just going to go on to selecting one of these category right now, such as the question and answer and comment right here, and you can select this right here. You can actually go on to selecting any of this subcategory right now, but you can also go on to selecting the offer campaign right now, and maybe the simple opt-in right here. Once you're actually done with this right now, you could go on to selecting a template which you want to just simply go on to utilizing right here. So I could actually select the survey template right now. If I select that right here, all you need to do is to actually fill in more details about that particular offer. This section says this task takes less than, you want to put in the amount of minutes right here. I'm just going to put in something quite smaller right now. It's not going to take up to 5 minutes right there to complete that offer. The available positions, you can actually increase that or decrease that right here, and the more you actually increase, the more the price you're actually going to go on to paying for this particular offer or for this particular campaign. So once you actually do increase this right here, you want to put in how much each worker will earn. So supposing you are actually going to be earning maybe about $2.31 from this particular offer right now, you can actually go on to inserting an amount which you want to just simply go on to paying individuals to do this right here. So maybe I want to just simply pay them about 70 cents right here, and that is quite generous because I'm going to be earning some cool cash also. If I put in that amount right here, that's actually going to be inserted. You could put in the speed, you could put in the title to this particular offer, and I can actually put in a title like this right now, just like in Cpagrip. Head back to that platform, paste in that title right here. For this section which says description right here, you want to just simply add in a cool description. You can see all the questions are required, and please read all the questions carefully before submitting details. You can actually come right here, put in your admin description if you want to. That is actually a description for you right now, maybe telling them to follow a specific link, do this or do that. You can actually put that right here. As you can see right here, workers do not actually need to upload files. Workers can optionally upload files as proof. What you need to do is actually select workers are required to upload files as proof, and if you do that right here, you would also go on to putting that in the instruction right here, and also insert the link which you're actually to click in this instruction, which is the link to your affiliate marketing or CPA marketing offer. So once you actually put in a cool description having a link with your affiliate marketing offer or CPA marketing offer, you can actually then go on to clicking on create campaign and go to next to actually publish this. And as you can see right here, this will actually be published, but you actually need to go on to funding your account first before actually this goes live. As you can see, validation error, you don't have enough funds to start this campaign. So for you to actually start this campaign as a beginner without having a single dime, all you need to do right now is to actually come onto my TTV campaign. So basically guys, you want to come right here, click on this job icon, and if you do click on jobs right here, you'll be able to see lots of other people's offers right here that you can actually go on to completing and actually generating some income for you right here. If you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot of cool tags you can actually go on to utilizing right now, go on to making some money. Take a look at this tax right here. It's actually going to pay you $1.50 for just simply downloading, installing and signing up for a particular platform and actually send a video proof right there. So you can actually utilize that right there to make money. You can actually see other cool offers that you can go on to doing and make some cool cash right here. Just simply build in your income right now on this particular platform before using that to run your campaign right now. Or you could actually go on to funding your account by just simply coming right here, click on deposit, and you can fund your account right here via the credit card and any of these options which are available to you right now, before you can then go onto your campaign section and actually go onto funding your campaign to run that campaign and actually get lots of traffic to your affiliate or CPA marketing offer. And this strategy is 100% legit one. I would like you to go on to trying this out. and make some cool cash. And if the video was helpful, don't forget to go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I release some cool videos that could help boost your income online. So that's it for now, guys. If you have any question, leave that in the comment section down below. Also, guys, check out the video which you can see on the screen right now to learn more ways which you could make money online. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.